Hey, what's up guys? James Kugadall here, coming at you with another video. Guys, we're talking crypto once again. Let me fix my screen a bit here. It's a little bit off. We'll move this down. Okay. Now, what do you guys think about the markets today? Hey, we're getting a little haywire, I think. We saw a lot of movement up and down all around. I am trying to download this Embercoin wallet. What a gong show. It's probably just my computer's a piece of junk, but it is taking forever. But look at this. Ripple climbs past $3, hits all-time new high. Holy mackerel. What are we going to do about Ripple? This is like the Federal Reserve trying to take over cryptocurrency, and it's riding high. $3, man. I remember when I first got into crypto, I was talking to my buddy who lives in the UK, and I was asking him for a little bit of mentorship. And I said, what about Ripple, man? Should I buy some Ripple? He said, Ripple is crap. And now all of a sudden it goes from being around 18 to 20 cents where I wanted to buy some, and he said it's crap. Now it's $3. I think he doesn't know what he's talking about. Even though he's a good trader, I don't know if he was doing the proper research that he needed to be doing. Because this thing is a monster, guys. It passed Ethereum. This digital token has risen more than 1,000% in the last month. Ka-ching! Alright? Analysts point to factors including sustained momentum and recent announcement as helping fuel the currency's recent gains. Wow. The cryptocurrency has wind in its sails, says Charles Hayter, he's a hater. Charles Hayter, co-founder and CEO of the data platform CryptoCompare. What are we going to do here? Is it going to keep rising? Is it going to crash and fall? I don't know. I think a lot of big money's coming into this, you guys. A lot of big billions coming in here. The price move appears to be a continuation of December's XRP gains in response to the double benefits of their follow-through on their 55 billion XRP escrow commitment and the new Amex Santander XRP partnership announced in November. So we can kind of understand that Ripple is tying itself in with the banks. We're getting some big institutional money pumping into XRP, and I got to do some more digging, guys, to see what's really going on here. I know there are some, people that have looked into this a lot deeper than I have. There just seems to be something about Ripple that may be going against the core foundations of cryptocurrency and its privacy aspects, and its may in fact be placing some barriers on our privacy. So we'll keep an eye on that. Let's take a look at CoinMarketCap now. Bitcoin was moving a little bit today, up 1.9%. We're now at 15,309. The market cap, holy moly! Remember around Christmas time it was at 540 billion. Now we're up to 743 billion, 837 million. Dang it. And Bitcoin's dominance is down 34.5%. So what does that mean? There's a ton of money being pumped into altcoins, namely Ripple and Ethereum. Okay? But that's not it. There are some other altcoins that are getting pumped. Look at Cardano, guys. I hope you got in that when it was under 15 cents. I just bought back into Cardano a couple days ago. It was under $1. But when I first got into trading crypto, Cardano was one of my first things that made me some money when it went from around that 12 cents up to 40 cents, got out. And that's where I learned you got to hold some coins, guys. You got to hold on. Have a small amount that you do your day trading with, your major swing trades. But some of these coins, you got to take a position and you got to let it ride. Okay, IOTA was another one. Guys, IOTA's trading right here at 11 billion, right? What's to say that IOTA can't reach even Cardano's level, okay? So that's going to be pretty much going to be three times that. If IOTA hits Cardano's level, this is all of a sudden a $12 to $15 coin. And IOTA has massive potential. Now, and if Cardano can hit Ethereum's market cap, which is 92, that's pretty much a 3 times, so we could easily be looking at a $3 to $4 Cardano by the end of the year, perhaps. You got to look at these things a little bit. Tron made me happy today. I made a video on New Year's Day that it was ready to take off, and then it did. Now we're up to 10 cents on Tron. We're at number 11 position. Tron just came out of nowhere, guys, and it's because it's got people behind it that have power. It's got these Chinese billionaires backing it, and it's getting pumped on Twitter. And look out, guys, because Tron's going to do some things. This year, if you're holding Tron, just hold on to this sucker. 6 billion, that's going to double for sure. So we could be looking at 20 cents, maybe even higher. Maybe, like, who knows? Maybe it could 4x. If it could reach Cardano's level, that's 4.5 times. So that's that would be trading at 40 to 42 cents. And you know, I could dig that. I think I gotta look at they're planning a bit of a coin burn too, aren't they? Where they're gonna erase some coins. So there's some things in the work. They're making some good partnerships. They're getting some things done. They just partnered up with some weird game where virtual reality where you can buy virtual puppies and they can follow your online avatar around. Like, the Chinese are into some weird stuff, you guys. So you gotta capitalize on it. Once again, guys, I don't provide you any financial advice. This is my opinion based on crypto. I have no formal training. I have only been trading cryptocurrency for like 2 months. And I just read headlines. I read some news. I check out some white papers. I think what I'm going to start doing is calling some of these developers on some of these really low cap coins. Try to get an interview with them and see if we can have an honest chat about what they're trying to produce. If you think that's a good idea, let me know. But as always, do your own research. This is not a financial advice channel. This is just my opinion on what I am doing. Protect your money, guys. Be wise. Let's see what else. Oh man, this RAI blocks. What a coin. This sucker is down a little bit. And geez, I'm wondering if I need to get in right now while it's down 30%. It might not be a bad opportunity. You know, this max supply is only 133 million. And that's where we're getting our price from, right? Because you take the market cap, the 2.9 billion, you divide it by the 133 billion, or million, sorry. And you get 21.94. And so let's just say this goes to 10 bucks. You know, all of a sudden you got let's see here, 10 billion divided by 133 million. Like, I think we're looking at $130 there, right? I got to do the math now, otherwise I'm going to be lying to you. So let's do the math. We're going to say it hits a $10 billion market cap. Oh man. And we're going to divide that by 133 million. Sorry, my math was wrong in my head. 75 bucks. More or less, 75, 80 bucks. You know, and I don't see why this won't hit a 10 billion market cap, just because it's super fast. There's no transaction fee. Let's read about it a little bit. Array blocks. Instant, feeless, scalable transactions. Guys, this has huge potential. Let's take a look at its history here. Take a look at that thing. That is called parabolic. Like, I would have been happy to get in around here. 23 cents. all the way up to 24 bucks. Kaboom! How high did it go at one point? 30, 32 and change. So right now we're down here 23.18. Most likely this coin is going to 4x itself over the course of the year. That wouldn't surprise me. You know, the entry point for us newbies isn't that easy, or those people that don't have swole bank accounts, with it already being $21. So, you know, unless you got some cash to spend, not the easiest to get into where you're looking for those coins that are going to 100x, right? Like the Verges, like the Trons will. I'm liking Coin. You know, Redcoin had a big jump today, and that kind of makes me wonder. You know, let's just take a look at this guy here. I'm sure a lot of you follow him, Altcoin Buzz, and it seems like they put out a video, and just because they have a massive following, that video gets a pump now. So I might be thinking about, if I were you, to follow these guys on Twitter, follow them on YouTube, and wait to see what they have to say, right? Because they mentioned Evercoin, and later that day it went up, and they mentioned Redcoin the other day, and all of a sudden it went up big time. Went from like 80 something satoshis up to 130ish. I'm not sure where it's at right now. So they know what they're talking about. They do research. These guys are smart. But if you're just starting out at crypto, just like I am, I'll follow these guys. I'll follow John McAfee even. I won't necessarily jump on every coin or ICO he promotes, but you gotta look for the whales and follow these guys. And if they're mentioning a coin that's cheap, like Redcoin or Coin or Tron or Digibyte or something like that, you might want to just have a couple bucks in your float, maybe your Ethereum float or your Bitcoin float, and get in on it and see where it takes you. You know. They do promote some decent coins as well. So guys, if you want, follow me on Twitter. It's at jscoogadall. I'll leave a link in the description below. Let me know what your thoughts are on Tron. Let me know what your thoughts are on Reblox, and let me know what you think about Ripple's recent surge. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you tomorrow. I'll have another video ready for you, and I'll maybe let you know how much I'm up in my portfolio. Alright, cheers.